down there on Arapahoe Road. It's 45, and you're going way fast.
Okay.
Do you know how fast you were going?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
No. Here's my registration, license, and I'm pulling up my insurance right now.
Okay, perfect.
1 second.
Well, I had to do 103 to catch up to you from Piccadilly and all the way up to Buckley's before I caught up to you.
Did you clock me on radar? Or?
No.
Oh, so you didn't clock me?
No.
You just caught up to me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I understand.
Visually, I estimated your speed around like 65. Okay.
Colorado does allow its deputies to issue speeding tickets based on their personal observation alone. However, without the use of speed measurement devices and relying solely on the deputy's claim that he sped 2.5 times over the speed limit in the absence of an emergency to catch another driver, it would be very difficult for the officer to prove the violation in court. We'll touch on that more later, but for now, Deputy Hackler continues to ask questions and TRCU continues to refuse answering.
Who's
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Is that without insurance good?
Can you pull up again?
After verifying the insurance, Hackler returns to his phone call, where his frustration with constitutional rights becomes apparent.
So, I mean, nothing really crazy about that stop, right, Mark, so far?
Well, I'll tell you right now, I made notes about what the officer said before you cut to the commentary there about officer stating he had to go, 103 miles an hour.
Uh-huh.
When he said he had to go 103 miles to catch up, that's a red flag for me right there. It's only a red flag, and not in the sense the officer felt he had to go 103 miles an hour. That's a judgment call based on the circumstances and the environment in which he's in. But when he said to catch up, well, it tells me nothing about how fast the violator is going at that point. And I've had to go 130 miles an hour to catch up to violators because they were doing 105. And I want to catch them before they get into the next country. So, but at some point, again, maybe I'm getting deep in the weeds, I apologize here, but he says, well, I estimate you're going somewhere around 65 or so, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't sound like he's giving any good foundation for the actual enforcement contact or for court testimony later on. But anyway, that's my initial observations.
Yeah, and I think, like I said, we're not watching this whole video. He was actually going the other way, and he passed him and turned around and then sped to catch up with him. Mm-hmm. Mark, is there, and again, we're not in Colorado, I know, but in California, we're talking about California, is there's obviously a requirement to tell someone you have to put a speed on the ticket, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.